Hello. Welcome to my channel, Nana Kweru Special. And you know me, Mama Kwaba. I hope you enjoy this. Today I've got some fish gravy, which I normally prepare with some yams, some bayiram pisi, with some pear, and I love to do this. I hope you enjoy preparing this with me. First of all, I'll start with my fish. I prepared it off camera already. Took the scale off and cut it in some pieces. First, I will wash it with salt. You could also do this with vinegar, whichever you prefer. So after I've washed it very well, I'll cut it into pieces. And then I'll add my season to it. So I add some fish season and some all-purpose season, and then I just mix that together, and I left it to sit for about 30 minutes to marinate. So after that, we are gonna fry the fish. Fry it in medium heat oil. And here you see me add some onions, which I add for the flavor, the onion flavor with the fish. You see me take the onions out. I won't be using them in this dish. Just wanted the flavor in there. So my fish is ready. I'll just take them out of the oil. And then I'll move on to start preparing my gravy. So I used the oil I used for the fish, and that's what I'll be using for the gravy. So I'm gonna blend all of my peppers, my garlic, and my onion, and then add some water to it. And then I'll blend that all together. I'll start off by frying my onion, and when that's ready, I'll pour my pepper sauce in that. So when the pepper sauce is ready, I'll add my tomato puree. I use 30 grams of tomato puree. Mix that all together very well. And then after it's mixed together, I'll add my chopped tomatoes in there. That's one piece of chopped tomatoes. After that, I'll add my blended tomatoes to it. And then now you see it has been boiling for a while. The sauce is separated from the oil is separated from the salt, and then I'll add my seasoning and salt. I use 2 teaspoons of salt, and some nutmeg, 2 teaspoons as well. And I also used 2 teaspoons of all-purpose season.
And then it's finished. Awesome.
So, and when it's almost ready, I'll add my chopped onions and my bell peppers. And then I'll leave it for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. After that, I'll just pour that on my fish that I fried. And this is the results. And as I said, I love it with some yam and some pear. I really hope you enjoyed it, and good luck preparing it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nyamisha bunyana.